Fresh air gun in hand, only 4 nozzles. Do these wind nozzles belong to straight wind or spiral wind? Traditional straight wind passes through grids and nozzles, directly blow onto the circuit board. High thermal efficiency but easy to cause high temperature burns on the surface of circuit boards. Spiral wind is caused by the spiral shape of the metal part of its air outlet. So it's called a spiral wind. The wind gun cannot rotate due to the small amount of wind force. The metal shielding plate at the air outlet is the key point. It not only blocks heat and wind, but also, and it made the wind turn a corner before coming out of the nozzle, reduced direct radiation from the heating element to the circuit board, increased security. This is the principle of spiral wind. But the thermal efficiency is significantly reduced. The purchased fresh air gun fully utilizes its principle. The heating core is completely blocked. The wind blows out from the unobstructed but non-heating central area. Diffusion through the horn mouth. Cooperate with a powerful air pump. Implemented complete spiral and straight wind effects. Has extremely high thermal efficiency and safety. The heat generated through turbulence is very uniform. It is currently the most complete air outlet method. The horn mouth size of the outlet duct for 7B and 11A is different. The range of heat blown out is also different. 7B is suitable for small area circuit boards such as smartphones. 11A is suitable for large area circuit boards such as computer motherboards. The new air gun is equipped with 4 air nozzles. You can also choose to purchase 4 curved air nozzles.